Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We have a very exciting video. One, thank you so much for 10K subscribers. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe. And we have some exciting news, as you can probably tell. We have some new merch that's dropping. They're dance t-shirts. We'll show you close-ups later. Ballroom Feed store is on our website, which we're gonna link down below for you. And we're actually gonna give away one of this design. So stay tuned to the end of the video to figure out how you can enter. And today we're going to be teaching you a very easy bachata line dance to celebrate with us. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to start all together on the right foot. We're going to go side, together, side, tap. From here, we have our left foot free. We're going to do a stationary basic, going side and place, tap, this time the right foot, and we're going to do that again on the right. Side, 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 tap the left foot. This time we're gonna finish out the side basic going left, together, side, tap. So all we're doing is a side basic with a stationary basic in the middle of that. Let's do it again. With our foot directions, we go right foot, side, together, side, tap, side, 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 tap, side, 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 tap, side, together, side, tap. This time with some counts, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, practice that again if you need, and Chris is gonna come in and teach you the second half.
We're gonna do the next 2 8 counts of this line dance here. So I'm gonna start with my right foot free, and I'm gonna do a 3-step turn to my right away. So I'm gonna go forward on my right foot, close my feet together or a small side step, and then I go side again on my right foot and I tap. If I repeat that same thing again, I went on my right foot, turning to my right, forward, together, side, tap. My next steps, I'm gonna go forward and back into basic now. So with my left foot, I go forward, 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 tap with my right foot, and then right foot goes back, 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 tap. I finish this entire sequence with a left turn, a left 3-step turn going forward, together, side, tap. So my right foot's now free, back to the beginning again. So from the beginning of that section, I'm gonna go forward, together, side, tap, forward, 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 tap, back, 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 tap, forward, together, side, tap. Now with timing, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we'll bring Linz back in and we can do it together.
All right, so now we're gonna connect those 2 parts starting from the first section. Starting to the right, we go side, together, side, tap, side, 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 tap, side, 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 tap, side, together, side, second part, turn, 2, 3, tap, forward, 2, 3, tap, back, 2, 3, tap, finish, turn, 2, 3, beginning, side. And repeat, that's it. Let's do it again. This time we'll add our counts in. Chris, you wanna take it away?
We're gonna go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turning, 1, 2, 3, forward, 1, 2, 3, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And you can keep repeating this. You can rotate the walls if you want. That's really up to you, but we'll try that with some music. We'll try it maybe facing away to the start, and then we'll face you at the end just so you can kind of see it all together, all right? Guys, thank you again so much for watching. I hope you liked that little bachata line dance we had for you. So we're gonna do some close-ups of these t-shirts for you, but this is our first of many designs that's gonna go up on our website, and if you're lucky enough, this could be yours. So the way that you can enter, all you have to do is comment down below what you wanna see next from us. So whatever video you wanna see, it does need to be dance related. So please just remember that, because it is a ballroom dance channel, preferably ballroom partner style dances. So just comment down below what you want to see next, and if you're our lucky winner, we will message you and we'll figure out the details from there. So this is only going to be up for 1 week from today, so be sure to get all of your enters in. You can enter just one time, and it would mean a lot if you were a subscriber, and if you like this video. Of course, that is not an obligation. It would just mean so much to us that this does go to a subscriber. So if you want to win, comment down below, and hopefully you get the t-shirt, okay? And I'm sure we'll have more designs and giveaways in the future. So if you don't like this design in particular, don't worry, we have many ideas. And if you have a suggestion for that too, we're definitely open to ideas, so don't be shy. And again, thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.